Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started with using FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where you can get started with accessing your images through your camera roll or through your photo gallery. And once you've loaded up your images, you're going to go and be able to see them right here on the main page. Select the image you want to use for editing and it's going to open up the editor mode. This is how to go ahead and get started using it. So now we can get started editing the image using the tabs to apply various filters and effects. So key features include smiles, where you can go ahead and add a smile to your photo. As you can see here, we have the impressions and the sizes of the face. So what you can do is go ahead and test it out for yourself. We also have the hairstyle. So if you click on the hairstyles tab, it's going to enable you to go ahead and test out some hairstyles that you can go ahead and use for yourself. Here you can go ahead and tap on each of the hairstyles and get started with editing your picture. You can use a demo photo if you want to go ahead and try it out, or you can use your own photo as you can see right here. So this is how to go ahead and get started with using those filters. You can go ahead and explore for yourself and choose any photo from your gallery or camera roll, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.